just to use them. She was a victim of unspeakable abuses. Her husband was violent, malicious and distant. Her kids now belong to the state of Massachusetts. They've been taken away. They've been taken away. Billy was a bright one, Tony's on his head. Mother loved them both the same, at least that's what she said. I don't predict the future, I don't care about the past. Send them both to DSS, now you've had your chance. My boys are still your babies, the judges took your rights. You can have your children for the night.
Alright, so today I'm going to be testing out this jump. We built it last year, but we never really got to go off of it. This big log was in the way, and we didn't really want to cut through it, so we just built the jump over it. This could go either really well or really bad, so let's see how it goes.